Do you want to learn how to fight fatigue with frozen foods? Well, these recipes are for you. These recipes are designed to be prepared ahead of time so that when mealtime comes, it's quick and effortless. That's why I have these right here. You can store them in the fridge and then just pop them in the microwave and you're good to go. These 3 recipes are nutrient rich, low in salt, sugar, and fat, and can all be prepared in under 10 minutes. Stir fry is a great way to incorporate more veggies into your diet. The ingredients for this recipe include 2 cups cooked brown rice, 1 bag frozen stir-fried vegetables, 1 bag pre-cooked frozen shrimp, teriyaki sauce or soy sauce, ginger paste, and garlic to taste. All right, let's start with the rice. I have 2 kinds right here. I have one that you can buy off the shelf, one frozen. Just follow the directions on the back of the package. So let's grab our ingredients and head over to the microwave. Typically, stir-fry is made in 1 pan, but today we're gonna use frozen foods, throw them in the microwave, and be ready in under 10 minutes. Now that everything's been microwaved, we're gonna portion everything into its own container and then store it in the fridge for later. You're gonna open up both rice and scoop out half a cup each. Each portion is gonna get half a cup of rice. Each container is gonna get half a cup of vegetables. Now I'm gonna put 5 to 6 shrimp in each container. Put a little teriyaki sauce on top. Throw a little bit of ginger paste in each one. We'll mix it up in a minute. Just a little bit of garlic. Give it a quick little mix. How quick and easy was that? In under 10 minutes, you have 3 meals ready for the next few days. Now we're gonna go stick them in the fridge and keep them cold. And for the next recipe, we're making turkey meatball sub sliders. Ingredients for this recipe include frozen turkey meatballs, Hawaiian dinner rolls, 24-ounce marinara, low-fat cheese, frozen green beans, and seasonings to taste. To make this recipe, just pour your marinara into a bowl, place your turkey meatballs in there so I can heat them all together at once. And now we're gonna go stick them in the microwave. Microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes or until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees on the turkey meatballs. While the turkey and marinara are in the microwave heating, you're going to take your buns, cut them in half, place the bottom half on a sheet pan. Once the marinara is ready, place turkey meatballs and marinara on your rolls. Now we're going to place each meatball on a bun. We're going to place a meatball in their own little house right down the lane with a white picket fence. Oh, it's so cute. Pouring marinara on each meatball so it'll be nice, juicy, and delicious. Put a little low-fat mozzarella cheese on top. Top with your buns and then bake in the oven 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted. While that's in the oven, take your green beans and microwave them per directions on the package. Now that the sandwiches are done, the cheese is nice and melted. We're gonna pan them up. You're gonna put them into your individual containers. Now they're all nice packed, ready to go. We're gonna save these for later, so we're gonna stick them in the refrigerator. The next delicious recipe we're about to make is a loaded Southwest sweet potato. Ingredients for this recipe include baked sweet potato, 1 bag Southwest protein, sour cream, cheese, cilantro, and any toppings of your choice. We've already baked the sweet potato ahead of time by roasting in the oven. Take the bag of Southwest style vegetables, microwave them per directions on the package. We're gonna peel the sweet potato skin off so we can slice it up. We got 3 containers, so I cut into thirds. Take my fork, gently mash them. Now we're gonna put the Southwest vegetables into each bowl and garnish with cilantro, sour cream, and in this case, avocado, lime, and cheese. Take our avocado, slice it as garnish. Scooping out the avocado. This recipe is super simple and quick. You can prepare it for your family dinner, or you can prep it ahead of time for your meal prep, and it'll stay in the refrigerator for 7 days or up to 2 months in the freezer. Garnish with some cilantro and a nice wedge of lime. Cheese on top of the Southwest vegetables. Now that they're done, I'm gonna stick them in the refrigerator for up to 7 days or in the freezer for up to 2 months until I'm ready to eat. And after that, man, you just eat away. You enjoy. Thank y'all for joining me today. I enjoyed doing these 3 recipes for y'all. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments, and I'll see you later.